Join the class, everyone. Switch on your camera.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. All of you have your maths book with you. Just check exercise 5.5. What is the exercise about? Is it word problems? All of you have started practicing maths for summative assessment. Yeah, Muazzam, what is 5.5?
Yeah, ma'am. Some are word problems, and there is true and false also.
True and false. Okay. So word problems is our last topic of linear equation, which will come in your exam. All of you have written the syllabus, right? What have you written in linear equation? Just see what I made you write that day. Solving linear equation in one variable. I think that I made you write. Okay. Is it that?
Yes, ma'am. And you said only till exercise 5.5.
5.5 I told na.
Yeah.
So write 5.5. So in bracket write down word problems also. Solving linear equation include direct linear equation also and word problem also. So today we'll practice word problem. Yusuf, keep your camera on please. Okay. So today we'll start with word problems of linear equation in one variable. Okay, so some of the solved example which is there in your book, I'll just show you how to solve it. Okay, so this is the question. It is a solved example. The present age of Jacob's father is 3 times that of Jacob. Okay, so after 5 years the difference of their ages will be 30 years. Find their present ages. Okay, so the hint is in the last line what you have to find. Okay, so whatever you have to find, you will take it as the unknown x. Okay, now here in the first statement, see, the present age of Jacob's father is 3 times that of Jacob. So whose age you will assume, Jacob or Jacob's father? X, what will be x? Think.
Jacob's age.
Yes, because Jacob's father is 3 times that of Jacob. So your first statement will be, this is your textbook solved question only. I'm just explaining how to do it. So I'll just open this page. I'll open whiteboard. Huh? Just I'm copying it. This is the question. Okay. So how will we do this? Let us, as you told, you will write first statement. Let Jacob's present age be. Just write down how we are going to do. Same way you have to do the unsolved problems also. Unsolved, I'll give you as homework. I'll give you extra questions here in class to do. So let Jacob's present age be x, years. Okay. Then Jacob's father's present age is how much? Tell me. Jacob's father's present age will be how much? Tell me. According to the question, present age of Jacob's father is 3 times that of Jacob. So if Jacob's present age is x, yeah,
3x.
3x. So 3x years is the Jacob's father's present age. Now in the question, after 5 years, the difference of their ages will be 30 years. So you have to make another statement. First tell me, after 5 years, okay, after 5 years, what is Jacob's age?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
x plus 5.
Plus 5. X plus 5. See, after 5 years, what is your age? It is not 5 times. It is your, you are adding one year, 1 year, 1 year. So 5 years you will add. So Jacob's age will be x plus 5 and Jacob's father's age will be, tell me, Farhana, Jacob's father's age will be how much after 5 years?
3x plus 5.
Correct. Okay. Now this is according to our assumption 3x plus 5. Now coming to the question, now you will see the second statement. They have told according to the question, next is according to the question, next statement is our equation that we have to make. So according to the question, what is given in the question, that after 5 years, the difference of their ages will be 30 years. So find out difference of their ages. Okay, what is, whose age will be bigger? Father's age. So 3x plus 5 minus x. You will put a bracket because this x plus 5 whole is 5 years ke baad ka age. So difference is how much they have told? 30 years. So this is your equation now, and now we'll solve this equation to find out x. Okay. So how will I solve it? Put bracket ke inside, just put your negative sign inside, minus x and minus 5 equal to 30. Now 3x and minus x. We'll solve this. What is 3x minus x? 2x. And plus 5 and minus 5 cancel out. 2x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 upon 2, which is equal to 15. So you will say, therefore, 15 is what? Jacob's present age. Therefore, Jacob's present age is equal to Jacob's present age is equal to how much? X years is 15 years. This is your answer. And father's present age is equal to 3 times of x. 3x, which is equal to 15 into 3 is equal to 45. So our answer is their present ages we have to find. So 15 years and 45 years is the answer. So this way we'll solve the word problem. Okay. So linear equation ke word problem mein you will get number problem. Then age problem is very important. Then area problem or perimeter problem. All these things, the different types of questions come. So we'll solve 1 or 2 questions from all the sections, so that you understand how we solve this. This age problem is very important. Present age you will suppose, then after 5 years, according to you, what is it? And then according to the question, you will make the equation. Okay? Okay, done? Should I erase this? Yes?
Yes.
Now this is another question. The sum of 3 consecutive even integer is 36. Find the integers. Now you know what is even integer? Ahmad and Yusuf, please keep your cameras on. Ahmad, again you started keeping your camera off. Huh? Just keep your camera on. Yusuf and Ahmad both. Now sum of 3 consecutive even integers. Even means what? What is even, Ahmad?
Ma'am, a multiple of 2.
A multiple of 2, correct. So what will I suppose over here? Find the integer. Sum of 3 consecutive. Do you know? Anyone knows what is consecutive?
In sequence.
In sequence, yes. So 3 consecutive even integers. Any example? Can you give me 3 consecutive even integers? If first one is 2, what will be the next 3 consecutive even integers?
6, 8.
After 2, it is 4. So consecutive means just next to next. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. So that way we have to start. Now find the integer. So if your first, what will you suppose? Let the first even integer be x. Okay. Then other consecutive integers will be other consecutive even integer integers will be x plus 2 and x plus 4. Correct? This will be our next consecutive even integer. Okay. Now they have told that the sum of 3 consecutive even integer is uh, 36. So what will be the equation? What will you write according to the question? Who will give me the equation? According to the question. Saklen, according to the question, what will be the equation? Tell me. The sum. Sum means what? First one is x, right? Then second one. Second one is this. And third one is this. So you are adding 3 consecutive integers and sum they have given, it is in the question, is 36. Okay. 36. Now just solve this. What is the answer? So this is your answer: x, x plus 2 and x plus 4. So x is 10, then 12 and 14. So this is your answer. Check the calculation part. 1, 2, 3. So 3x, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 6 goes over this side and becomes minus 6. So it is equal to 30. Okay. Should I erase this now? I'm erasing it. Next question is, now this is perimeter. Now tell me, the length of a rectangle is 3 centimeter more than its breadth. If its perimeter is 34 centimeter, find its length and breadth. So what will you suppose? Length or breadth? What will you suppose from the question? X will be what?
Ma'am, length.
X will be
Breadth.
breadth. Correct. So let the breadth be X. Then length is equal to how much? Ahmad, you did not hear. Then I told you to keep your camera on. Then why you are not keeping it on? Was a make
Sorry, man. I'll keep it on now.
Yeah. Then length is equal to how much? According to the question,
X plus 3.
yes, 3 centimeter more. So we are taking it in centimeter, okay? X centimeter. So it will be x plus 3 centimeter like this. Okay. Now, if its perimeter is 34, find its length. So what will be the perimeter? Tell me perimeter formula. Perimeter is equal to
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B. Okay, put the values. Now, according to the question, give me the equation. What is according to the question? Please raise your hand and give me the equation. What will I write? Wasm, what is according to the question, what equation we'll get if its perimeter is 34
Ma'am, we'll
means
write 2 into x plus 3 plus x
x plus 3 plus x, then
is equal to 36.
34. Okay, question में 34.
अच्छा,
So now we'll solve it. इसको कैसे solve कर सकते हैं? This whole term is 2 से multiplied. So I'll bring this 2 over here and I can directly do x plus 3 plus x is equal to 34 by 2. Because this whole bracket was multiplied by 2, so I can bring it over here. Or you can move to inside and then also you can solve. Okay, so any method you can do. Because I saw that it is an even number, so I can easily cancel it. So that is why I just brought it over here. And this side it is 2x plus 3 is equal to 17. So 2x is equal to 17 minus 3. X is equal to how much? 17 minus 3? 14 upon 2. So equal to 7. So which shows that length is equal to how much? Breadth is equal to 7. So length is equal to. So see, don't leave your answer till here. You have to write the answer therefore, because what is asked in the question, length is equal to and breadth. So therefore breadth is equal to, first we calculated breadth. So breadth is equal to 7 centimeter. Always write the unit if the unit is required in the question. And length is equal to 7 plus 3, which is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, so this is your answer. This is asked in the question. Done. So I'm raising it now. Okay, question is, write down this question because this is extra question. 4 added to twice a number. 4 added to twice a number. Twice a number yields 26 by 5. Find the number. Just solve it yourself and give me the answer. Now find the number, so it is clear that you have to suppose the number to be x. This 3 or 4th question? I think 4th. No? Tell me the equation first. Who has written the equation?
And 2x plus 4 is equal to 26 upon 5.
Correct. Very good. So write down and solve it. Give me the answer also. Solve this equation, everyone.
Ma'am, I am getting in decimals.
How much?
Ma'am,
You can give me the answer.
4.4 upon 2.
Oh, you didn't answer. Just give me in chat, Taklen. It's not clear. Okay. Numerator में you are writing decimal. पूरा decimal कर लो ना. Numerator and denominator don't write like that. Then you are getting 2.2, right? So okay, we'll have to check it. What answer? Everyone, others, what answer you are getting? Mudabbir? What is the answer you got? Farhana? Not able to solve?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Ahmed got.
Ma'am, I got x is equal to 3 upon 5.
3 upon 5. Okay, let me check it now. 2x is equal to 26 by 5 minus 4, which is equal to 26 minus 20 upon 5. LCM if you take, it becomes 20 because 4 by 5 karne ke liye into 5 you'll have to do. So it is 6 by 5. Okay. So now x is equal to 6 by 5 into 2 because 2 yahan tha, so 2 comes down. 2 3s are 6. Yes, 3 by 5 is the correct answer. Who got 3 by 5? Yeah, Farhana, correct answer. 3 by 5 is correct answer. So this was required. Okay, next question is, write down the next question. I'm erasing it. Find two consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 63. Find two consecutive natural number whose sum is 63. I'm writing also. Find two consecutive. You know what is natural number, okay? Find two consecutive natural numbers whose sum is 63. Easy hai. One natural number is x you have to take, and what will be the other natural numbers you have to see. Consecutive means what will be the consecutive numbers? And what is the statement you have to give me? Let one natural number be x. Give me the equation. Ahmad, give me the equation. What is the equation?
63 is equal.
Yes, 63 is equal to what? One number is x. What will be the other consecutive number? What is a consecutive number of 3? Next consecutive number of 3. Just now I explained now what is consecutive. Yes, 4. So if one number is x, what is the next number? Saklen?
4.
No. Why 4? One number is x. Then what is the next number?
X plus 1.
Correct. So sum you have to find. One number is x, other number is x plus 1. Simple. This is your equation. Answer is 2x plus 1 is equal to 63. 2x is equal to 63 minus 1, which is equal to 62. X is equal to 62 by 2, which is equal to 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So the answer is two consecutive natural numbers are 31 and 32. This is your answer. Consecutive means same sequence. You have to add one. अगर odd number बोला होता तो you would have added 2. X, x plus 2, x plus 4. But simple consecutive natural numbers they have asked. So just one you will add. One natural number be x, then other natural number is x plus 1. According to the question, sum. So sum ले लिया. First number is x and the second number is x plus 1, which gives 63 they have given in the question. So this way you have to solve. When you get this equation, then it is easy to solve. So main point is you have to get the equation. How to get that equation? Okay. Now, 2 by 3 of a number is less than original number by 20. 2 by 3, wait, 2 by 3 of a number is less than the original number. Less than the original number by 20, find the number. Now tell me the equation. It's obvious that you have to consider the number as x. Okay? So what is the equation? I'm not writing the step. Give me the equation.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
by 3 x is equal to 2 by 3 x is equal to x minus 20.
Is equal to x minus 20. It is said that 2 by 3 of a number, which is this, is less than the original number. Your original number is x. Okay. So you will say that is original number by 20. Yes, this is correct. Or you can write this same equation can be written as x minus 2 by 3 x is equal to 20. Same thing can be written like this also. Okay. So anyway, this is also correct. This is also correct. It is how you write the equation. It should be in the equation should be correct. Both are correct. You can see x minus 2 by 3 x is equal to 20. Same thing. 2 by 3 of a number is less than the original number. Means original number and 2 by 3 of the number ka difference is 20. That is your question. So anyway, you can write like this. So if I make x together, make LCM 3 and find out the answer. Give me the answer. What is the value of x? After this step is there. So you can start with this step. You should know how to solve the equation. Everyone should get correct answer now. I'm seeing that you are not getting correct answer for linear equation solving. Ahmad, are you solving? Solve it and give me the answer. Farhana, you got the answer?
Yes.
Send me the answer in chat and directly, because every time you are sending, let others also give answer. Okay, you got the answer, Farhana. Rest everyone, please solve it. It is very easy. ये बहुत simple है equation. What difficulty you are facing, you can ask me, because this is a very important topic. You should know how to solve the linear equation. You will have to tell me, because I'm not able to see your notebooks. So you need to tell me where the difficulty is. It should not take so much time. Yes, Mudabir, correct answer. Saklain, what happened? Why you're not getting? Okay, I'm writing another question. Those who have completed, don't waste your time. Start doing the next question. Twice a number when decreased by 7 gives 45. Okay, I'm writing over here. Twice a number those who have done can previous question can start doing this one. Find the number. Okay, anyone else has given me the answer? Muazzam, correct answer. What happened, Saklain Ahmad? Why you are not solving it? And what is the problem that you are facing? You need to tell me. Saklain Ahmad, Ali, Muzair, Yusuf. What happened? LCM नहीं आ रहा निकल के?
After that one.
After that you are not getting?
That LCM one.
No, wrong answer, Ahmad. Okay, I'm solving. LCM is what? 3 is LCM, right? X by 1 and 3 by 1. 3 is LCM. So 1 ko you need to multiply by 3. So that here also it becomes 3. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 20. Which is x by 3 is equal to 20. Next step is x by 3. I'm writing the next step over here only. X by 3 is equal to 20. So what answer you will get? X is equal to 20 into 3, which is 60. 60 is the answer. Now do the next question and give me the equation. Twice a number when decreased by 7 gives 45. Who will give me the equation? Farhana, you give me the equation. Twice a number when decreased by 7 gives 45.
2x minus 7 is equal to 45.
2x minus 7, yes, is equal to 45. This is the equation. Before this, you have to write, let us suppose the number be x. Then according to the question, twice a number means 2 times of x. When decreased, so minus 7 equal to 45. This answer anyone has done? Okay. Okay, let me check it. Yes, correct answer. Who has got this? Saklain, correct answer. Ahmad, Muazzam, Mudabbir, Farhana. Yes, all correct answer. So this was this question. Now age question. I'm giving you age question now. Raju is 19 years younger than his cousin. Write down. Raju is 19 years younger than his cousin. Is younger than his cousin. After 5 years, their ages will be in the ratio 2:3. After 5 years, 2:3. Find their percentages. Find their present ages. Yes, Yusuf, correct answer. Huh? 26 is the answer. So that is the correct answer of previous question. Now, Raju is 19 years younger than his cousin. So whose age you will consider? Tell me. Whose age you will consider? You can consider anyone's age, but still tell me whose age you will consider. Cousin. Okay. So let Raju's cousin's age be X. Okay. Then Raju's age is equal to present age. Always mention present. We are talking about present age. PARESM. Then Raju's present age will be how much? Tell me. 19 years younger than his cousin. So cousin's age, present age is X. Then what is Raju's present age? Wasm?
Ma'am, X minus 19.
Yes. So X minus 19 years. This is also years. Okay. After 5 years, now you have to mention their ages. After 5 years, what is Raju's age? And what is his cousin's age? Raju's cousin's age equal to how much? After 5 years, what is Raju's cousin's age? X plus 5 years.
Plus 5.
Yeah. And what is Raju's age after 5 years?
X minus 19 plus 5.
Plus 5. What is that? Minus 19 plus 5 is how much? X minus 14?
14.
Yeah, so X minus 14 years. Okay, now come to the question. After 5 years, their ages will be in the ratio 2:3. So according to the question, equation will be, what will be the equation? Anyone has made the equation? Give me the equation if anyone has made, or give me the equation. Everyone try to make the equation. You have to do it on your own. Anyone try? After 5 years, they are telling that their ages, means first age should be Raju, and second age is his cousin. Okay, you know what is ratio, everyone? Is it clear what is ratio? So how will I write this ratio? Because we do it not directly proportional, that also is ratio only. Ratio and proportion. Anyone knows?
And we
Anyone?
write it as 2/3.
हाँ, 2/3 is equal to will be there. Okay, but left hand side में क्या होगा? Raju's age by Raju's cousin's age.
X plus 5 upon X minus 14.
Yes, is equal to 2/3. Okay, so that will be the equation. Your equation will be, according to the question, your equation, because first they have mentioned Raju. So I'll write Raju's age only first, because it is given in that ratio. So what is Raju's age after 5 years? No. It is cousin's age you told, Mudabbir. Raju's age is X minus 14. So I'll write X minus 14 in the numerator and X plus 5 in the denominator, because their ages ka ratio. But first they have mentioned Raju, so I'll take Raju ka age. Raju's age is X minus 14 and cousin's age is X plus 5 is equal to, they have given in the question, 2/3. Now solve this question and give me the answer in chat. This type of questions we did in the last class. I have told you to cross multiply. Whenever this whole by this whole is there, you have to cross multiply and give me the answer.
Ma'am, x is equals to 52.
Okay, I'm checking it. Yes, correct answer. Huh? X is equal to 52. But they have, what is the question? Find their present ages. Okay. So what is Raju's age now and what is, so Raju's cousin's age is 52 now. And then what is Raju's age? Find it out, Saklen. X key value, how much everyone is getting? You got, Saklen? I'm solving over here. Cross multiply, so 3 into x minus, answer or not? Yes, correct answer. 52 is correct. When you subtract 52 minus, how much you have to do? 52 minus 19 in present age. Okay. 52 minus 19 is how much? 38, na? 14 you did, na? 14 nahi karna hai, Farhana. It is wrong, huh? Raju's age. Cousin's age is, Raju's age is 33, yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm solving it, those who have not got it. 3 into x minus 14, this way you have to solve. 2 into x plus 2 into x 2 into x plus 5. Then you can solve 3x. 3 into 14 is minus 42 equal to 2x plus 10. This 2x comes over here. 3x minus 2x, x ho gaya. And minus 42 goes over there, becomes plus 42 plus 10 is 52. So x ki value is 52. Raju's age, cousin's age is x years. So cousin's age is 52 years. And Raju's present age is x minus. So Raju ka age ho gaya. Raju's age is equal to 52 minus 19. Okay, 12 minus 9, 3, 4 minus 1. 33 years. Is it clear? So this way, those who have not got, this way you have to do. Another question I'll give you. Write down, a father is 30 years older than his son. A father is 30 years older than his son. In 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. In 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. Okay. This is present age. Father is 30 years older than his son. So whose age you will consider?
My son's
Ma'am,
age.
son.
Yes. So present age of son you will consider. Next statement is in 12 years, the man will be 3. Make the equation and give me the equation. In 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. Find their present ages. Okay, so son's age, let son's present age be and give me the equation. Age bx. So father's present age, how much is father's present age? You have to find out. Then next statement is in 12 years. Son's age. X plus 12 and father's age. How much? What is father's present age?
X plus 30.
Yes, X plus 30. So after 12 years, it will be X plus 30 plus 12, which is X plus 42. Now, according to the question, equation becomes in 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. So what is son's age? X plus 12. So father's age you will equate. Equation is, anyone can give me the equation? Anyone has written? Farhana, have you written in this equation? Question is, his age means in 12 years, the man will be 3 times as old as his son. So man's age is X plus 42 in 12 years. So his age is actually equal to 3 times the age of his son. So 3 times X plus 12. This is your equation. In 12 years, I have found out according to my supposition, this is the age in 12 years, but according to the question, they say that 3 times, father is 3 times old as his son. So father is this, he is 3 times old as his son. So now you can solve this equation. X plus 42 is equal to 3x plus 36. 3x will bring over here. So 3x minus sign plus x equal to 36 minus 42. So it is minus 2x is equal to minus how much? 4 यहाँ पे 2 वहाँ पे 6 minus 6. So x is equal to minus 6 upon minus 2, minus and minus becomes plus. So 2 3s are 6. So x is equal to 3. So that means answer is son's present age is 3 and father's present age is 33. Okay. So you'll write answer over here. Son's age equal to 3 years. Write the unit also. 3 years and father's present age is equal to, right, present age, because they have asked present age. Father's present age is equal to x plus 30, which is 3 plus 30. So this is the answer. Okay, is it clear? Now your homework is the exercise 5.5 completed as homework on your own. Complete exercise 5.5 and you can submit me on Google Classroom, which you don't do usually, but get it checked whether you're doing it correctly or not, or you can check your answer from back also. Okay, make equations. 4-5 questions are there. Do all the question, complete it. Okay, fine. Okay, that's all. And next class onwards, we'll start revising the previous chapters. Next math class. Bye, everyone.